Welcome to a video about creating custom foods in Easy Diet Diary. This video will also detail how to edit, delete, and duplicate custom foods. Please watch this video in full screen. Let's begin. To create a custom food, tap Resources, then tap the plus button and tap Custom Food. Enter the food name, serving size, and energy. Optionally, then enter the food's protein, total fat, saturated fat, carbohydrate, sugar, fiber, sodium, calcium, potassium, and phosphorus values. Then tap Save. You will then see the custom food saved in the All Resources and My Food section of the Resources tab. To add this custom food into your diary, first tap the Diary tab, then in the meal you want to add the food to, tap the plus icon. Then tap the My Foods tab and tap the plus icon to add one serving of this food, or tap the food name to enter an alternative amount and measure, and then tap Add. Now if we go back to the diary, you can see both examples. Note that you can also create a food from within the Diary tab. To do this, locate the meal you wish to add a food to and tap the plus icon. Then tap the My Foods tab and type the name of the food you wish to create and tap Create Custom Food. Your search term will be pre-filled as the food name, and you can then complete the other required fields and tap Save. You are then prompted to enter an amount of this food to add to your diary. To edit a custom food, tap Resources, then from the All Resources or My Foods tab, tap the food you want to edit. Edit the name, serving size, or nutrition information, and then tap Save. Note that changes made to a custom food affect all previous and future entries of that food in your diary. To delete a custom food, tap Resources, then from the All Resources or My Foods tab, tap the food you want to delete. Then tap the ellipsis and tap Delete Food. Note that deleted foods cannot be recovered, however previous entries of deleted foods will remain in your diary. To duplicate a custom food, tap Resources, then from the All Resources or My Foods tab, tap the food you want to duplicate. Then tap the ellipsis and tap Duplicate Food. You can find the duplicate in your All Resources and My Foods list with the word copy appended to the name. This brings us to the end of the video about creating custom foods in Easy Diet Diary. For more video resources, head to the Easy Diet Diary support site linked in the video description. Thank you for watching.